It's Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today I'm going to come to y'all with a update on Cliff's motorcycle group build. Cliff at GI Scale Mechanics group build, and then I'm going to do Tim at Throttle Power and Charlie Mack. They have a Finish It in February group build, and then I'm going to show you all that. And then I got a few stash ads at the end of this. So, and this right here is what I've been working on. You can see it's the Honda Dick Mann's Daytona winning bike. I think from like 1969, 70, somewhere around in there when he won. And this one here is a big 1/8 scale. And this bike's totally incorrect. A lot of things are so wrong on this bike. Tamiya makes this kit, but make it in a 1/6 scale. It's considerably a lot bigger, hell of a lot better detailed than this kit, but it is what it is. It's the one I got. The other one costs so much it's hard to get a hold of. One of these days I will. But all right, on this right here, this fender is totally wrong. For one thing, it wasn't chrome, and the fender's smaller. It didn't have these bars right here. It had bars going from here to there, from there to there. The pipes were black, not chrome. I mean, it's just a lot of little differences on this that I'm going to correct, hopefully. So with that being said, I haven't gotten too far, but this is what I've gotten done so far. Alright, here's that fender, and I've got it mocked up right now, and as you can see, I've totally reshaped the fender compared to it being squared off and longer, and I made it smaller. And then I took those chrome bars and I cut them down, and then I put them going from there to there, just like the actual bike would be. So with that being said, that's the fender right now. And of course I'll still have to paint it and all that stuff. Here's the gas tank. It's in primer. You know, I had to sand and do all that to where the molds met together and everything. Had to drill that hole for the what do you call it, evaporation line or expansion line, whatever you want to call it. Here's one side of the fairing and the other side. It's in primer. It's what your seat's going to set on. It's the back part of your, I guess, hump or whatever. I re-chrome those with and then I got a paint detail in them. All I've gotten done so far is just build the stand, which I'll have to paint it. I de-chromed this whole engine, and then I repainted it, and now I've got to do a lot of detail painting on it and everything. And then just a lot of little ends and bits and pieces I've gotten done. That's about it, and this is all I've gotten done on the wheels right here. I got them black washed and stuff. Not a whole lot done on it, but that's what I've gotten done so far. And then to finish it up in February, Tim and Charlie Mack. This is the kit I will be finishing up right here. And let's see, I built this car years ago, and I bought a couple of them, and I built one of them. There was a national model contest. Oh, I guess it was round 2 had a national model contest, and I won second place. I built the drag car version, and they had it featured on their site there for a long time. It ain't there now, but and this car is also in their 2020 model catalog. They used my car in the where they sell the clear cases that you put the model in. If you look in that catalog, that model that's sitting in the clear case, one of these clear cases like that, is my model that I built. I thought that was pretty cool. But this one here I started. Let me take it out of here. I resin cast a 6-cylinder engine, and that engine is from the original 64 Chevelle wagon, and it was 6-cylinder, and that's what I resin cast. And I started on it. I haven't finished it. I got that done. The tires need to be, you know, I black washed them. That's as far as I got done on that. My little intake and carburetor resin cast, I started, you know, messing with that. And as far as I got there, and what happened here, I even got as far as, I've got the body painted and a lot of stuff mocked up on it. You know, the grill's black washed, you know. I've done a lot of stuff and I just throwed it all back in there. And what pissed me off about this car is, you know, I painted it, and look what the hood did. The hood has an indentation where you cut out for the drag car version, and I guess it's so deep or something. Well, you know, I primed and painted it, and look what it did. It's like somebody glued a hood scoop or something on it almost. You know, the lines had come through it, and that really pissed me off. And I don't even have this color paint, or I don't even, it was so many years ago, I don't even know what color I used and everything. I just threw it in the box and forgot about it. Well, I was digging out, you know, trying to find kits for the build, and I figured I'll just finish this 6-cylinder, and I can't really do nothing to correct that hood other than buying paint and trying to fix it, and that's not going to happen. So I'm just going to chrome foil it up, build the stupid thing anyway, and it's not going to go to a model show or nothing. So that's what that is. So, but one cool thing about it, you know, like I said, I resin cast the original 6-cylinder to go in it like the 64 had, and that was a 1 year only. That was an annual kit or whatever. So so I got the 6-cylinder mold for that, and that's what I'm going to do there. And that's going to be my finish it up in February. Okay. And then with that being said, I went antiquing again. Flea market, antique shops. And I got this little kit right here. It's original kit from the 60s, you know. You know me, I'm a British car guy. I love my little midgets and sprites, so I had to have it, even though it'd been touched, but it's there. I can restore it. It's all there. I know $10 might seem a little high, but hell, I'm pretty much buying the box art. That's what I'm buying there. All right. The next one I got was the original issue AMT Ohio George Willis. I think that box art's from about 68, 69, I think. There's nothing on there to indicate. I'm sure somebody can tell me when this kit was. And the kit had been started, but never painted. Decals are still on the you can see right here. It's actually been done pretty decent. It's not ever been finished. All the parts still in there, even the tires. They're black, or not black rubber. They're the plastic. And you can see how yellow the decals are the sheet, and here's the decals. I've got the reissue of this in the flat box, and I got other issues of it, but I thought that was pretty cool. $20 is all I paid for it. That was well worth it for an original issue. I mean, the box art alone, worth that. And then Raul at the Muscle Car Modeler, you're going to appreciate this. I got an annual MPC kit from 1972. They reissued the 71 and the 73, but they've never reissued the 72, which are all pretty much the same kit, but it's the idea behind it. I got this kit. I give $35 for it, which, you know, with an antique shop, it's kind of high, but I knew what it was. So, and the decals, everything's there. The only thing's been started is he started, you know, gluing together the wheels and stuff, but it's all in the original white plastic. Everything's there. It's all accounted for. Hell of a steel right there, guys. Hell of a steel. And the same guy that had that also had this right here. It's a 69. And this is the MPC, not the AMT kit. Mustang kit. The only thing's been painted on it's been the body there, you know. It seems to be fairly complete. I think it might be missing a little piece right there. Shouldn't be too hard to come up with. but I didn't give much for that, so that was well worth it. And then went to another antique shop, and I picked this sucker up right here, steel sealed. 3 Datsuns, so that gives me another one of them. I got several of these, but I always build these things. I love them. I love them to death, and they're getting kind of expensive, so I give 20 bucks for it. And then I got this right here, steel sealed. I can't get it in there. I give $6 for it, steel sealed, which I know you can probably still go down to Hobby Lobby and get it, but I don't think you can get it for $6. And then I was at the hobby shop today, and I picked up another one of these to my Volkswagen Beetle, which I got 4 or 5 of these, but every time I see them, and especially as cheap as I got this one, I think it was only 24 bucks at Hobby Town, I bought it. That's a no-brainer. Every time you see a kit like this, you buy it. And the reason why I got so many of these, and I buy them every time I can, is I got the resin bodies to build the Hebmuller, and to build the split window sliding rag top and the oval window sliding rag top. And so I buy these up every time I get a chance, and one of these days I'll build those resin kits. And then I ordered one of these the other day on eBay, and it come in, and I've also ordered 3 more of these from Model Roundup, and I've also got 3 of the Racer's Wedge 72 Chevy MPC trucks. I got 3 of them ordered. I won't get those till February, but I seen this pop up on eBay, and I was like, well, I'll just get me another one, even though I'm still waiting on the one to come out with the engine detail, and I'm waiting for the drag team, and I'll buy several of them. But these kits are the original ones are so hard to get. I figured I better buy one of these every time I see it. If Hobby Lobby gets it, I'll buy them. If I see it at the hobby shop, I'm going to buy them. It's just one of them that I've always loved them, and you just couldn't hardly get them when you was young, because, you know, they messed the molds up, hadn't made them forever, and finally round 2 has restored the molds, and we're going to start seeing these more, and I'm going to buy more. Well, I'm going to quit rambling. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you.